Bruno's stone trucks. Give me a break. Oh, yeah! Oh, I've got trucks full of stone. Stone! 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 You gotta make it wait. Stone! Stone is for the honey, honey. You will get the money, money. Yay! Now they come slow and carefully, slow, 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 so you don't fall over. Slow, slow, slow down. Take your breath. Use your relief and bow down. There you go. Now you can make it all the way to the docks. Then the money you get, and it's a lot. It is rock. It will rock. It rocks. Yeah, yeah. You filled up your stone trucks. Now you've got a lot of worth, money, luck. Make your own best to whatever you can do. Many things to find out what we can do. Strong trucks is worth a lot of time to take it up processing. It's all about giving money, not about letting. Even those things may not be right, we can do it right on time. That's right. The stone trucks are worthly for money. Yeah. Why are we moving? We're only moving a little bit. Probably it's a little bit of wheel troubles. Yeah, I'm a brake van and I'm not really good at doing that. So I'm probably going over bed. Yeah, it's really hard. You'll be fine. Yeah, we'll be moving soon. As long as your brakes don't get faulty. I'm trying to move. I'm trying to move. Almost. There we go. There we go. We're almost there. One last move. Almost there. Come on. One last push. You can do it, Bruno. We're moving. Come on. You could do it, Bruno. I'll try this for once and for all. Mighty puff. Whoa. Now we're going! Yay! Thank you, Bruno! You really used all of your might. No problemo. It was just a really hard thing. Well, at least I figured out how bad the traffic is. Yep, it's worth a lot. Slow down. There you go. Now, I gotta unload you at Brendam Docks. Yep, you're just going away. You just have to wait until the ground is all perfectly grey. And there's cranes. Oh, Brendam Docks. It may take a little time. It's okay, you can still find it. So, I think you're heading towards the canyon. Even though it's not that way, you'll still find where Brendam Docks is. Yeah! Besides, we can already kind of be departed at any else station. Okay, I'm trying my hard. Okay. Now we're over that thing, and now we're crossing above the viaduct. Whee! Whee! This feels like a roller coaster. I agree. I agree too. Whee! Over the tunnel where the roads roam. I wonder when we'll arrive to our home. This is not our. This is not your heart. This is not your home. I think we're at Bluff's Cove. Bluff's Cove. Yes, I think so. Now over the tunnel and the tunnel hill. I do this. Oh, ooh, ooh, ow. Ooh, I'm covered in trucks. You can do it. Come on. Almost. It's so hard. Do it one final time. Do it, Bruno. Do it, Bruno. Bruno, Bruno, Bruno. Yay! Woohoo! Yippee! Well, that was a victory. That was a victory again. Let's get unloaded at Random Ducks, shall we? Yes, I think so. I'm sorry that you bashed the other two trucks. It's okay, you'll still get a lot of money. Yep. This is like a roller coaster ride. Make sure to always be careful. Yep, I can always ride that. Over there. We still got a lot more to go. Yep, we gotta go to Random Ducks. That's right, we gotta go to Random Ducks. Stop. Oh dear, another engine's blocking that line. We've got to take the other way. There I go. We gotta be always careful with sharp turns. Wrong junction. Oops. Nice. Using your wheel can be a very good hand. Yep, a great hand. It's better hands. Whoa! There you go. Oops, wrong junction. There. Now. Let us just take a moment. So. Whee! Woohoo! So we're still on the thing. Huffing and puffing. Over this railway again. Stop. Good. That's why I always have my brake coach like this. Oh! Undo that. Great, now we'll keep on going. Sure, a brake van can hold a lot of weight. Yep. We love you, Bruno. Aw, thanks. Do you think we should take a switch in the junction? I don't know. Or we could probably... Okay, we're at a normal viaduct. Wow, the high view seems a lot good out there. Imagine if I'd gone down there. No, definitely not. Why not? I agree. You might as well get very bad. Just tell me a reason why, and I'll not do it. It may seem good, but it's not if you fall down. I think Brendan Ducks is this way. Is this way? Maybe. If it doesn't, we'll have to look all over again. Yep, I hope I can find it. Over the church. And then over in the forest. Oh look, in the tunnel. Whee! And out the tunnel. Woohoo! Keep it focused. Not to offend you, Bruno. I think this may be the right way, because Gordon's Hill is too hard to climb up. Yeah, we'll fall down. Probably this is the alternative route. Yeah, I think so. Stop! Well, that was magic. It changed by itself. I know, right? This is Brendan Docks. We knew it. Hooray! Quick, take us there. We'll go home. Come on, rocks. Let's go! Woohoo! Goodbye, rocks. It was nice having you, Bruno.
Yeah, it was nice having you.
Almost there. There. Now let's depart the rocks. Oh, wait a minute. Our rocks have not been departed yet. Before you do that, you must take it and switch in the junction. Yes. Good. Quick. Bye, rocks.
Rocks, this is what we need.
Freshly rocks. Yay! Woohoo! Now you've got 22 cash. Oh yeah! Get more! Oh yes, sure, I am.
This time the only one surviving.
Oh dear. Sorry.
It's okay, you'll be fine. Come on, let's get some more cash, shall we? Come on, this is the easiest way to get cash. Yeah.
The way you sound and goofy makes me a little bit uncomfortable.
Hey, don't say that. You'll be fine as you want to be. Come on, guys, let's reverse. Yeah. Hey, why are you leaving here? I can't wait to have fun with you. Oh dear. Oof. You gotta always get more and more and more.
As long as I can agree. Sounds scary.
No, it doesn't.
I'm getting scared.
behind you. Oh, but I have to go there. Quick, take another junction. Switch to the other side. Do you think we should go up the hill? No. Take that to that other way. Oh wait, yeah. Come on, guys, let's get more.
Yep. Sure. To be continued.
Whoa, this is really fun. Whoa, you better slow down. You better be quiet. You better start being careful.
Sometimes I don't need to be careful because I know what I'm doing.
And why?
Because I could be all safe.
Also, I don't think you should go spring the ducks. Because I saw that on the news recently, a bike van just crushed a train. Oh dear. Oh dear. No, this can't be happening. Ah! You'll be fine, Bruno, as long as nobody doesn't notice. Okay, just calm down. It could be all good. Okay? Oh no. It seems like the one who did it will be scrapped. Oh my god! Oh my god! No! Don't be afraid! I thought nobody knows that this happened. I'm really done for. Just depart me off quick! Go as fast as you can! I am! All the way on the quarry, then go there! Hey! Also, you must know where you're looking or you're going, or you might derail.
Yep, I got that.
Now you can't stop for one. You gotta look on the other side like this.
And this.
Yes.
Okay. I am going to do that.
Oh, you didn't just follow the rules for a second. You should be scooting usually.
Fine, I am.
Oh, look, start doing it. Stop right there. And wait. Good. Good boy.
Okay, at least I'm starting to forget about it.
Oh my god. think there'll be a surprise at the end. Oh! Yay! They get the fire attack! Yeah! But it seems like I haven't. But that's not so. I have another friend! No, that's not him. Well, seems like I have no friends. It's okay. I'll find you. Definitely! Find my other friends over there! Random ducks. Yes, that was what I mean. Oh, okay. But we gotta be careful. Not that like that last time that you crashed. Oh my god. Up the hill again. Yep. Yep. Cash. Legit engine. You really think I'd get that? Yeah. Let's go speeding. I don't think so. But why? Besides, I don't think we should get it. Besides, it's already the other way. Oh, little bit of traffic again. Oh, we'll move. And then again, move. Oh my god. Jet! 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 Stop this damn jet! Ah! Quick! Stop the jet! My god! It's going too fast! Ah! Quick! No! Right. Stupid jet broke us. It's okay, they'll get back together again, and then I'll do work for more cash.